Right, snow depth. This has been a big change in the last week. We had 4 days in a row to end last week in 40 degrees. Yesterday, some communities hit 50. State line up to Kalamazoo and even into Barry and Eaton County. It's all but gone. Parts of Kent County also seeing a little hollowed out pocket there of no snow. The only ones that have really anything of note are Allegan, Ottawa, Muskegon counties to the north, where the lake effect was most prevalent. And in Ravenna County, the roadways are completely clear. Rooftops are clearing. It's just an inch or two on the grassy spots and the fields. While along the lakeshore here in South Haven, conditions are really just ice chunks left over, but a lot of thawing, and the river is in the channel now back moving as just water. 23 in Grand Rapids and Holland right now. It is a much cooler day. Now 21 in Ionia, 25 in South Haven. And the teens north of Grand Rapids as well. The 24-hour temperature change anywhere from 10 to almost 20 degrees cooler than we were 24 hours ago. It's a big swing. Again, some areas were near 50 yesterday, now in the upper 20s. So the upper air mass, this is going to grab those temperatures and show the jet stream, and what we can expect in a general trend is a warm up Wednesday night and Thursday. This is going to be the freezing rain potential as a sharp cool down then moves behind it into Friday and the weekend. I think once we get past the warm up on Thursday, we're going to be staying in a consistent cool trend into the middle of February. So Wednesday and Thursday, that's where the freezing rain is focused, especially in the morning hours of Thursday. And then Saturday, a snow system. This one looks decent, especially in terms of numbers, in terms of snowfall accumulations rather. And then we do quiet things down thereafter, but 2 systems in the next 4 days. So here's future track in the first system. It's going to be moisture down in Arkansas, Tennessee. It's not really going to develop though until we get to tomorrow morning. And then as we do, it will approach us and be on our doorstep Wednesday evening. Light snow to begin, and then after 10 p.m. is when we see that mix move through. It'll be snow Grand Rapids to the north, and then that freezing rain to the south. I-94 could have impacts around 10 or 11 p.m. lasting through the morning. I want to point out Thursday morning, 5:30, 6 o'clock. Future track looks generally dry here, but I think there's going to be a good amount of lingering drizzle or freezing drizzle that will continue to lead to some travel impacts through Thursday morning. So Thursday morning's commute is the one to watch. By Thursday afternoon, temperatures will be above freezing and conditions will have improved significantly. Here's that number. You can see a pretty clear cut just south of I-96 is looking like the setup, where there could be a handful of hundredths, maybe up to 1/10 of an inch in isolated spots. But the heavier impacts will be felt off near Detroit. So that is some good news here that we're dodging the worst of this system. 36 on Thursday. So again, a lot of that will melt away once we get to Thursday afternoon. But we'll watch for the freezing again Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And Saturday night's system could lead to several inches of snow for some.